do not think we have seen the last of the rebels. New recruits can't win a fight like this. I need you to man the Gatling gun.
I ain't the soldier here, Captain.
Do not question me, gringo. Just do as I say. Vámonos! Manténganse alerta! Get behind that gun. I am not taking any chances. I hope you know how to use that gun.
Can't be that hard. Just point and pull the trigger.
Por Dios! We will all be killed!
Don't worry, Captain. I've used one of these before. For a cold-hearted killer, you're
Don't
an anxious
point
son
that
of a
at me.
bitch, ain't you?
We have already been ambushed. Our squad is made up of new recruits and the two men that Santa hates the most. I think it is right to be anxious.
Yeah, well, I wasn't exactly expecting a pleasant picnic by the seaside
Do
myself.
anything stupid, gringo. Stop shooting! You need that ammunition! ¿Pero qué haces, idiota? Look! Do you see them?
¡Luchamos para la libertad! ¡Para el pueblo! ¡Veo movimiento!
Now who is being paranoid? Somebody must have told them about the supplies.
They best give me a square after this, I'm telling you.
Worry about that later. We must hold them back. Keep them away from the steam engine. If they kill the engineer, we will all be slaughtered. They're too close to the engineer. Do something. We are nearing the town. No parece el tren. Estos pertrechos son del gobierno mexicano. ¡Traidor! ¡Pedazo sucio! I think that's all of them. We do not have far to go. The base camp is just at the top of the hill.
That was madness.
You did well, compadre. Very well. Whatever Allende promised you in return, you have earned it.
I don't think DeSanta expected us to come back from this.
Did you want to kill him, or should I?
No. Until I find Escuela, he's more use to me alive.
Here we are. Thank God. We are lucky to be alive. Go to the camp. The base commander will want to speak to you.
Senor Marston, ven a...
Senor Marston, thank you for your efforts. The escort was a success.
At least some of your men survived.
I didn't think to survive myself. My whole life I have dreamed of a glorious death. Vamos! Rapido antes que nos ataquen otra vez. These socialist pigs cannot be allowed to win.